Divide and simplify, state the restrictions. Again, what was the first step in a division problem? Make it a multiplication, right? So again, how are we going to make it a multiplication? By flipping that, right? Don't flip the first fraction. It's the second fraction that you flip. Okay, and okay, a squared plus 2a minus 15 divided by a squared minus 16 times 3a minus 12 over a plus 1. Okay, now we're dealing with a multiplication problem. What should I do? Factor, right? And these are all pretty basic factorings, right? No, not simple quadratics. So this is a plus 5 times a minus 3 over a plus 4 times a minus 4 times 3 times a minus 4 over a plus 1. Okay, remember what we said, where are we going to look for the zeros so that we know our restrictions? It's not the same as when you multiply. Okay? You're going to look, let me get it in red. You're going to look here, because that's a denominator, right? You're going to look, I mean, the original denominator was actually the 3a minus 12, so you've got to look there, right? But, I mean, it's hard to see in this, but we would have to look here, here, and also here, right? Because if this fraction has a 0 in the numerator, then this whole fraction is 0, and you're dividing by 0. So you've got to look in 3 places, which means the only place you don't look is this first numerator. Every place else, if it's got a 0, you need to write it down. Right, there, 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 there. Okay. So let's write them down. Now that it's factored, we can say x does not equal, or sorry, a does not equal negative 4, 4, negative 1. How about the a minus 4? Yeah, we already had that one, okay? This 3 is not a source of a 0, right? There's no variable there. It equals 3. It can't equal 0. So that's not a source. Don't write down 3 or anything like that. It's not a variable. Okay, now we can cancel what we can cancel. And it's not a lot. A minus 4, and that was like the whole thing, right? That's it. We should have changed that problem. So 3 times a plus 5 times a minus 3. And a plus 4 times a plus 1. And the restrictions are here. So you can see that the divide after one little switch, turns into a multiply. The multiply, because the way you just multiply numerators, multiply denominators, is actually just like simplifying. So there's not much difference between what we did in all 3 of these kinds of problems.